8:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to read this XRP price prediction, July 2022. Hinman court ruling is key. But first I want to go over an update of the trade I was talking about last night for anybody who watched. There's about 700 views. I did it real late, so I wasn't expecting a ton of views when I woke up. But for anybody who watched it, you've seen that I bought long instead of short. I was showing you how we all make mistakes. And then I also said I didn't sell because I thought that it was going to push up past where I bought it. And even though I was down better than 58%, I showed you on air when I was down like 34%. And so the way that trade ended up playing out was pretty much as I expected. I thought that I was going to get bailed out. And I had to go to bed last night. So I'll show you my last, because everybody's like, oh, Tom, let's see your last 10 trades. And it's like, well, why? Why? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's even 11. So 50x, 13%, 15%, 16%, 11. Lost 15% on that 25x solo, but I reversed it when we were down 15% and ended up making 24% going long after losing the 25. So I ended up profiting over 9%. Then 13, 1, where's the 1 from? So then last night, the long, bought in at 1,041.80. I meant to go short. It went all the way down to 1,033 and hit the target perfectly. So I was down better than almost 60%. And then it ended up coming back up and I sold it at 1,044. And then I ended up going short right after and making 8.28% on its retracement. Then I fell asleep. I wish I wouldn't have, but I did. I fell asleep. I was playing it back and forth. I had a great day yesterday. The main reason I'm showing that is because I got to get you used to BITGET. And you're not copy trading if you're in this competition. It's a futures competition. You click this link in my video description below. Sign up to BITGET. There's also a partnered link if you want to get special rewards and extra bonuses and yada, yada, yada. $2,000 trading rewards. $2,000 trading competition. So, sponsored by BITGET, put on by XRP Future Millionaire. It's a $2,000 prize pool. Right now, the top 5 look like this: 14.31%, 14.7% for fourth, 14.87% for third, 26.87% for second, and 63.07% for first. And right now, if it ended today, Brad would get $800, VAR would get $700 or $600, and Gel would get $500. So I invite everybody. It's free. All you have to do is click on my link that is in my video description below. Be part of the trading competition and have $300 in your futures account and trade, and that's all you need. Competition's open until July 14th. Winner will be paid as such, and those will be trading funds. So use them as trading funds. Once you bet them, you can take it out. So let's say you win $800. What you're going to have to do is buy like $800 in XRP and then sell it or transfer it to your native exchange, because they're trading funds. So you're not just going to be able to send money. You don't withdraw off of BITGET. So if you're new, if you win, you buy $800 in XRP, send it to your native exchange, sell it, and then you can take out your money. It's that simple. So XRP price prediction, July 22nd, Hinman court ruling key. In June, XRP slumped by 21.15% to 33.21. The slide came off the back of a 28.04% tumble in May. Crypto market forced to send XRP into the deep red for a third consecutive month with a lack of progress in the SEC versus Ripple case, also testing support. Technical indicators are bearish with XRP sitting below the 50-day EMA. In July, XRP slid by 21.15% following a 28.04% tumble in May. XRP ended the month at 33.21. A bearish start to the month saw XRP slide from a June 1st high of 42.60 to a June 18th and current year low of 28.68. The extended sell-off saw XRP come with range of the month's first major support level at 28.48. Finding support in the second half of the month, XRP revisited 38-cent levels before sliding back to the end month of 33.21. Crypto headwinds, including investor sentiment toward Fed monetary policy, fears of a U.S. recession, and a gradual shift to a more regulated crypto market weighed. A lack of progress toward a conclusion of SEC versus Ripple case also tested XRP support in June. Though hopes of a favorable outcome from Ripple limited the downward pressure, the influence of the current market headwinds aligned with those of the U.S. equities market, leaving XRP to track the NASDAQ 100 through much of the month. For June, the NASDAQ fell by 7.89%, relatively modest compared to the XRP slide. Throughout the month, news updates from the SEC versus Ripple case drew interest, despite the lack of progress toward a conclusion. Court ruling on Hinman's speech docs key for XRP. In recent weeks, the SEC and Ripple filed motions and letters of opposition to filings in relation to expert testimony and amnesty. However, the market focus remained on William Hinman. For XRP, the pending court ruling on the SEC motion to shield William Hinman's 2018 speech-related documents under attorney-client privilege could turn the SEC case on its head. The markets have been awaiting a court ruling since June 16th, and a decision could come anytime, which I believe it won't come until next year. I just wanted to share that, give you a little bit of perspective, and I like the breakdown of the chart month by month. So let's get into the charts after the intro. Welcome back, everybody. XRP Future Millionaire. It's 8:58 a.m. As you can see, the total crypto market cap is up 0.24%. It came up to our 852 billion. This is what we talked about yesterday, and I even extended this out so you guys could see. But we had to have a proper back test here, and we got a back test. We've almost hit it perfectly. This 851 billion. We hit 851.54. We're looking for 851.82. Now we're going to see if this comes up at all, if we have any kind of pressure. And this is a bullish Gartley right now, so this should be interesting how the market plays out. That's a bullish Gartley in the total crypto market cap. Is that what ended up forming last night? It sure did. Damn it. God, I had this pattern by the balls last night, and I fell asleep after it. I was trading great. I had so many good trades yesterday. It was sick. I know a lot of people copy trading made some money yesterday, so they're very fucking happy. I made like 9 trades yesterday. 7 out of 9 were winners. One was a minus 1.8%. One was minus 15.5%, but I reversed the trade. It made 24.4% on the back end, so that was a winning trade. So it's like, it was a huge day yesterday with such volatility. So, Bitcoin on this bullish W Gartley, it looks like. Look at that. It waited until fucking 5 a.m. to do what I was talking about yesterday. Came all the way down here. So after I sold out my Ethereum and then went short, went long, and whatever, look what Ethereum did. Ethereum came all the way down here. Look at this last night. Or this morning. Came all the way down to 1,026. I would have got wrecked. It would have looked good when I woke up, but I would have got liquidated. Damn, I wish this wouldn't have happened just now. I just woke up when I came on to do this update. This literally popped off right before I woke up. Son of a bitch. I had no chance to see we're in a bullish Gartley because the patterns had already popped. Now, you can see we've had these minor push-ups on everything, so now it's going to be tricky. XRP came up to that uptrending resistance that I talked about yesterday. It hit it beautifully. So you could get a slow stag back up now. Now that we're finally using the EMA ribbons as support, this is the first time. This candle is actually the first support candle since the failed attempt over here. So 31,612 was absolutely hit. That looks like a bullish Gartley, which means if we can be supported by the broad base, we could come up here now. We've got to get back above this line, though. That's a very critical uptrending support line. So it's going to be very key this morning for XRP to get back over that trend line. For Ethereum to try to continue to work its way over to the 200-day. But right now, we've got to get over 1,060 and start holding that as support. That's a key area right there. That's a pivot area. So pay attention to what I'm saying. I'll be back shortly, but right now we're doing these retests. That's a W Gartley reversal, a bullish one at that, it looks like. XRP doesn't, though. XRP looks more sedentary. Same with XLM. See, they don't look like bullish Gartleys. They look like just your traditional W reversal. Short-term Gartley, long-term bearish W reversal. So this should be interesting. So we'll see what plays out here. Make sure to hit that motherfucking like button. We've been lacking. Join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month if you want to be a part of all these trades. I mean, there's simply no reason not to. There's so many trades we hit yesterday. It was disgusting. So stay blessed, everybody. And remember, you've got to put the work in. It can't just be me. If you put the work in, you can do exactly what I do.